Hello guys, welcome back to Guide with Samuel, and in this quick tutorial I'll show you how to recover deleted files from Google Drive on Windows PC. First, open drive.google.com and sign into the Google account that owns the file. Next, click Trash in the left hand menu to see items you have removed. Then find the file you want to recover. Select it, right click and choose Restore. The file will return to its original folder in My Drive. If you don't see the file, check other accounts you may have used or look in the Share with Me if someone else owned it. If you use Google Drive for desktop, also check your Windows recycle bin. Deleted local copies might still be recoverable there. Note, items in Drive trash are automatically removed after a limited time and permanently deleted. Items usually can't be recovered by you. If the file was on a Google Workspace account, contact your domain admin. They may be able to help restore it. For permanently deleted critical files, reach out to Google support for options. And that's it guys, quick and easy recovery steps for Drive. If this helped, don't forget to like and subscribe to Guide with Samuel for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching.